Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Apple included stolen device protection in iOS 17.3 to add extra security. In this video, I will be showing you how to enable it, and action requires biometric when this feature is enabled. Let's waste no more time and let's get started. To enable stolen device protection, you need to go to General Settings and navigate to Face ID and Passcode. Then scroll down to find a stolen device protection option. Please note that they are off by default. Now you can choose to turn it on by clicking on the Turn on Protection. That's it.